This Oreo peanut butter mug cake is soft, chocolatey, and ready in just a couple of minutes. Perfect for when that dessert craving hits out of nowhere. The best part? You don't need fancy tools or baking skills. Just a mug, a spoon, and your microwave. It's like instant happiness in dessert form, made right in your favorite cup. Let's get started. In a microwave-safe mug, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This gives your cake its soft structure. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder so the cake rises nicely. Give everything a quick mix so the dry ingredients are evenly combined. Now pour in 4 tablespoons of milk. Any kind of milk works here. Add 1 tablespoon of oil for moisture and richness. Now add 1 tablespoon peanut butter. Stir everything together until the batter becomes smooth and lump-free. Make sure to scrape the sides and bottom of the mug so every bit of flour mixes in evenly. Next, add 2 tablespoons of crushed Oreo cookies and gently mix them into the batter. This adds little bursts of chocolatey cookie flavor in every bite. Pop the mug into the microwave and cook for about 1 minute and 10 seconds. Microwave power can vary, so start with about 1 minute and add a few extra seconds if needed. You'll see the batter puff up into a soft, fluffy cake. Let it sit for about a minute before adding the frosting. While the cake rests, let's make a quick cream cheese peanut butter frosting. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon cream cheese, 1 tablespoon powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon peanut butter. Add a few drops of milk and whisk everything together until smooth and creamy. Spread the frosting over the warm mug cake, letting it melt slightly into the top. By the way, while I'm spreading this, tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? I love seeing where everyone is tuning in from. Finish with a sprinkle of crushed Oreo cookies for extra crunch and chocolatey goodness. And there you go, a warm, gooey Oreo peanut butter mug cake with creamy frosting made in minutes. The perfect single-serve treat whenever you need a quick sweet fix. Loved this mug cake? You can grab my full mug cake recipe collection as a PDF on Etsy, link in bio.